In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a wall-mounted spirited drawer. First of all, we have to make a wall existing. We can delete it first. We can start from making the rotated rectangle. You can use it. So then we can start from this origin node. Then we can click and drag to and aim the pointer to the another side. Maybe for the right side we can set the length around 3 meter approximately, so then we can set the thickness around 150 millimeter. Okay, so and then we can push it up around 3 meter only. Okay, so we can just make it group anyway, and then we can make the spirited drawer itself in this wall. Okay, to be a wall mounted drawer spirited, so we have to make the uh, basic shape of this drawer with a rectangle or rotated rectangle. Okay, in this case we can make with a rotated rectangle, so then we can click and uh, drag to the another side. Maybe we can drag to the right side around 500, and then we can set the thickness around 150 millimeter. Okay, so you can see about the dimension anyway. Okay, I will give you about the dimension. It's approximately, so you can improve it more about the dimension, about the measurement it. Okay, so then you have to click it, and then we have to push it to the front around 400 millimeter approximately. So and then we can also I will give you about the measurement. Okay, so we have just click it, and then we can offset it inside with offset tool around 15 millimeter only, and we can push it to the back around 380 millimeter only, so you can see about the inside of the drawer case, and then we can make it group anyway. So then we can make the rectangle and then start from here and in on the corner, then we can click it, and then we can push it until fill full this drawer case. So then we can select it and move to the forward. You can move to the forward, for example. Okay, so then we click it and we can offset it inside around maybe just 10 millimeter only. So then we have to push it down around 100 millimeter only. So after that we can push it to the back around 15 millimeter, and we can also make the drawer pull handle. Then we can push it to the back around 15 millimeter. Okay, so then we can select this line anyway. We can zoom in, then we can move and okay, and move it to the upper position. Okay, so then we have to move and place on this position anyway, and then we can also make the material. Okay, we can adjust with the material, and we can select it, make group, and then we can move and duplicate it, and then we can place on this position, and we can place on this position also, so it would look more complete. On maybe we can add more credence over there just a little bit, and then we can just place on this. It is for example for any variation of this wall mounted spirited drawer anyway, so can you can explore more about it. And okay, I will give you a dimension of each component in this way. Okay, I will give you, this is about the approximately dimension anyway, so you could improve it by yourself. You could improve about the measurement of this drawer anyway. Okay, so you can see this, and okay, and I will give you about the distance of every single drawer anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.